This video I will teach you how to use QuillBot Premium for free lifetime. So we will go to QuillBot.com and you see my account is premium. I create it's free for lifetime. You create it's for lifetime to see video. You create your account for lifetime. First you go YouTube and search Tech Savvy 99 and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. So we start the video. QuillBot Premium. Here you see I use all the function of QuillBot Premium and I see QuillBot Premium plans. I create QuillBot Premium account for free and I will teach you create QuillBot account for free lifetime. Just watch full video and follow the step. Here you see QuillBot monthly charge $4.17 and $5 monthly. In this video I will teach you did not pay $5 monthly, you use QuillBot Premium for lifetime free. So see, I use all the tools for free. In this video I will not complete full video for creation this account, but I will upload video on Facebook. I give the link in description and first comment. You see and watch full video and create full QuillBot Premium account for free. I do not upload on YouTube for YouTube guidelines related. So subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for next video. Okay, goodbye.